Hi everybody, my name is Rhys Barber. I'm the audiologist here at Audiology Associates. We upload new earwax removal videos every Monday, Wednesday and Friday at 9 PM UK time, so please consider subscribing. Hi everybody, this is Rhys Barber from Audiology Associates. Thank you very much for watching our earwax removal video today. I hope you're all doing well. What we can see here, we've got one patient in this video. You can see that they've got what at first glance appears to be some quite sticky wax. But when you start to get a grip on this, you can see the wax is actually a little bit harder than it first appears. So the standard size ulnar tube isn't quite getting a good enough grip, so I'm just going to switch to the Jobson Horne. We've got a little bit of a gap at the top here, so I'm just going to pull down on this top section and you should see that fold forwards. There we are. See, it's starting to draw down the canal. Now you can see now behind that initial harder section there, you've got this stickier, slightly thinner type of wax, but not quite soft enough to get all the way into at the moment. So just slowly working my way down this plug of wax, just bringing the front section forwards, which is pulling the rear section a bit further forwards as well. You can see the whole thing folded out, and then we just get behind that then and draw the next section down. You can see that's happening now. Just trying to get a grip on the edge because there's not much of a gap at the top, just snap behind it there. You will see this patient's got what we call here in the UK a little skin tag on the outer part of the ear canal as well, which you'll see as it comes out. There we are, just above the wax there. So it's just pulling all the way down. You can see that we've really got to kind of keep working on this wax, folding the front section, getting behind the next section. This is still one continuous piece of wax at the moment. There we are, and just see that pop out of the ear canal there. Let's try and lift this up for you so you see. There we are. So you can see it was quite a sticky in the middle kind of wax. There we are, we've got the eardrum there. Not much of a light reflex there, unfortunately. So here's the wax we removed. So we've got, was it 11/16, so just under 3/4 of an inch, which is going to work out at just over 1.5 centimeters. Thank you very much for watching our video today. If you did enjoy the video, then please like. If you're not subscribed already or you'd like to do so, you can click the subscribe button here. If you'd like to check out some more of our videos, they're also up there. Now, if you want to follow us, you can do on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and also check our website if you want to know a little bit more about us. As always, guys, until the next time, take care.